Welcome to EcoPlanet Hub TV. This time we will bring a new updates about the couples from Indore, Raguwanshi and Sonam, which they have been lost and missing in Meghalaya as they come for honeymoon in Meghalaya. As per one of this local guide, he have seen them on 22 and 23 where they will come back from double Dougal bridge around 10 o'clock. So they were five of them. They were like familiar to each other and they were talking to each other, but the girls are followed from behind them. They are like friendly. It seems like they have been knowing each other and they talk in their own local language. It is not Hindi or English also, because he could not understand about their language. So I hope they will find soon about this couple. Reality will come soon, because so many of now people of Meghalaya and people of Indore are stay unhappy because of this case, because no one want to hear such case to any family or to any place where they are popular in tourism place. So I hope the police of Meghalaya will find soon about Sonam where she is, so that everything will be go smoothly, and then I hope everything will find soon, and then hope for